Hello everyone, so let's talk about chakras. What exactly are the chakras? They are compared to the lotus flower. A lotus is a flower which grows as the mud grows. It is in the water. As the mud grows, it comes out of the water. Means unaffected by the lower energies. Similarly, the chakras have been compared to the lotus flower because every chakra has some petals. They bloom and blossom as and when we work on the chakra. So a complete chakra is a lotus flower in itself, but the journey from the root chakra to the crown chakra is also the evolution as the lotus. From a bud of 4 petals to 6 petals in the sacral chakra, and then 10 petals in the solar plexus chakra, and then 12 petals in the heart chakra, and then 16 petals in the throat chakra, and then again becoming a bud kind of a thing into the third eye chakra. So science and logic will be explained later, and then finally blooming and blossoming into 1,000 petals. So itself is a journey, like moving up into the 7 layers of consciousness, from security issues in the root chakra to the connection issues in the sacral chakra, and then to the power and the control issues in the third chakra, and then the opening up of your heart, and then growing spiritually into the heart chakra, and then expressing yourself as a part of the divine expression through the throat chakra, and then looking at the other person's perspective, and then like opening up the third eye wherein the other 2 eyes are closed. When your physical eyes are closed, then only you can see the other person's perspective from the inside eye and from the intuition, and then you become a flower of 1,000 petals, blooming and blossoming and receptor of the divine energy all the time. So that is the beauty of the chakras. At every level you are moving up unaffected with the lower things, and then growing up and finally becoming the person you are meant to be, becoming a realized soul and on the earth completing your journey. That is the journey of the chakras, from 4 petals to 1,000 petals in crown chakra, rather 1,008 petals as many people say. So enjoy this journey.